The lighter airdrop is out and you can go and claim it, and I'll show you how to sell it and everything. So make sure to stick until the end. We jump straight into the laptop. The first thing though, as we see here, phone Moonbirds, make sure to go and claim their non-transferable NFT. Over here, I will leave the link down below. There is the Kaito one, there is the Jupiter one. There are many ones that you can simply claim here. Connect your wallet and you will be eligible. So super easy, super simple to go and do it. You claim it, you do all of that, but I don't want to waste your time with this one. I will leave you, however, the link down below, and make sure to go and grab it for yourself. Next up, we do have, as we see right here, the new partner of the channel, XT Exchange, is a non-KYC exchange, and we're giving away $8,000. There's only 10 spots left. There's a total of 100 people that we are giving the money away, and I saw there's only 10 people left, so make sure to go and join. For the new users, as we see here, if you complete the registration, you get between $5 and $88. If you complete KYC, if you want, you get another $200. At the first deposit of only $20, you get $200, so absolutely 10x your deposit. You do your first spot trade and open and close it immediately, straightforward, you get another $200. And then when a future bonus with the $20 that you deposited, or 100, or however you want, you open a future trade and you get $200. Now, if you're already part of it, make sure to go and grab yourself all these other tasks. With the first spot trading of $100, you get 10 extra dollars, 500 at 10 extra dollars, 1,000 another $20, and so on. So the more you trade, as well on the future trading bonuses. And also they do have the Christmas campaign right here, which you can see it once you go and sign up over here. I will leave the link down, by the way, to go and sign up on the campaign on the Christmas. Right here, you're able to go and join it as well. And you have different tasks. You got the trading check-in, so simply check in and trade and you will get another rewards. And you got the Christmas gift, which you simply come over here, open a gift, and you have the possibility to go and win some extra money, which is absolutely for free to go and do it. Next up, we have the task center, which you can go and do even more tasks, and you are good to go. So a lot of money to be giving away. Thank you, XT, for being the partner of the channel. It's absolutely an amazing competition, an amazing period. So make sure to go and sign up. Make sure to go and be eligible for the $8,888 that we're giving away to 100 of you. The link will be down below. But talking about lighter, as we see right here, they came out with the token is allocated between the ecosystem 50% and the team and investor 50%. Now, not the best tokenomics. Let me tell you that. Not the best tokenomics. The point season 1 and 2 that's running in 2025 have yielded 12.5 million points that will be immediately airdropped, which we already have, equating to 25% of the fully diluted value. The remaining 25% of the ecosystem allocation will be used for future point season. So there will be future airdrop to keep everybody trading over there. With alignment, etc. So they have this whole post. I will leave you the full Twitter post down below. You are able to go and check and claim your rewards. Well, if you go to your lighter page and if you go to your portfolio right here, you will see a spike, and you will be over on the asset page right here. You will see your LIT token, and as we see here, it is not looking great. Now, what am I gonna do? I am gonna go and sell this because it's an airdrop. I take, I sell, and I make about $400 for this trade. As we see here, it has been filled and I made $400. So my airdrop allocation was about $400. I don't like the allocation that team and investor have 50%. We've seen it here spiking all the way up and then collapsing down again. It is holding nicely. However, as I said, I only have about 120 points. I'm not gonna be super rich with that. Let me know your plan for the allocation. But to go and grab it, you simply go here to your portfolio, down to your asset, and you will see your LIT token right here. And once you have it, you simply go and sell it if you want to sell it, or hold it if you want to hold it. It is completely up to you. I have gone and sold it anyway because yes, it's another airdrop. Take the profit while you can. I've done a few mistakes already that I didn't take the profit, and yes, the price is looking good. Like, it's not looking terrible. It's actually looking like a nice wave. There's not much sell pressure at all. We got to 2.2 and then we went back up to 3, and then now also going up and down. So let me know your allocation and let me know your thoughts down below. Next up, we also have the Brevis network airdrop. You should need to go and be registered to be able to check the airdrop. And as we see here, this is the page. So connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask, your wallet base, connect, whatever you want. Click on connect and then you are good to go. As we see right here, this is the page, and click on connect and then you are good to go. So once you are connected, you will be on the inside of the airdrop, and you will be able to go and receive it and go and connect your Discord and go and connect your X account, which I personally didn't use for this. But let me know if you're eligible down in the comments below. So I hope you did enjoy it. Let me know your lighter allocation down in the comments, how many you got and what is your plan. Are you gonna hold it or are you gonna sell it? And make sure to go and grab yourself the XT rewards right here, the non-KYC exchange with over $8,000 that they're giving away to my users. And as well, guys, before, make sure to sign up and come here over to my Telegram. I do have a Telegram trading community. As we see here, we share all the trading, long, short, what's the action plan, etc. Free to join. The link will be down below. But with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.